Hi, this is Joni, holistic health teacher, coach, and human design reader. My intention is to bring you digestible snippets of holistic health habits to improve your health and well-being. We need your clear mind, healthy body, open heart, and bright eyes now more than ever. One of my staples in many months of doing camper van life was this king of an omelette. I promise to offer some easy go-to recipes in this space for those just getting rolling on their holistic health journey. Van life can teach a person many things, but if there's one thing van life teaches you in the kitchen, it's efficiency and effectiveness. From playing Jenga to fitting everything into the mini fridge to cooking on a tiny 2-burner stove with very limited counter space, and in my case, another human and a 95-pound shepherd in the mix. With our hectic modern lives leaving limited time to dedicate to healthy meals, one of our best bets to meeting our nutritional needs and being pretty quick and efficient is this omelet. They work for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You can keep them pretty clean and uber healthy or add some cheese. You can add whatever's left in the fridge, or you can make them super fancy and decadent, even in the camper van. There's a lot of controversy out there about eggs, how the animals are cared for, and therefore their eggs as well. Where we are in the world can determine how everything is handled, from gathering and storing the eggs, essentially the full production line of this industry, until they reach your hands. But for today, if you're eating them and don't currently notice digestion issues or any other major irritations, such as having skin issues or what have you, we're talking about adding a veggie omelet to your plate. Remembering that as we shift and change as humans, our relationship to eggs, as well as many other things in the industry of eggs, may also shift too. So today, this particular omelet you're seeing has likely some onion and garlic in the base of the pan. I personally use organic butter from grass-fed cows when I make omelets. Rainbow-colored carrots, red beets, cremini mushrooms, broccoli, a touch of jalapeno, fresh basil leaves, salt, and pepper, which altogether keeps you sharp, sustained, and surfing for hours. Eat it as it is, stack it on toast, wrap it in a tortilla, add some beans and salsa, and you have Mexican. Add basil, tomato, and mozzarella, and you're in Italy. Add a great mix of vegetables, and any way you look at it, you're golden. This sure has me dreaming of warmer days and super fun waves. If you're van lifing out there and surfing, let me know what some awesome, basic, but super nutritious meals you're serving up today. I'd love to hear. I started this channel to support those just beginning their journey here with their health, so look for the introductory playlist popping up right about now, if that happens to be you. Thanks again for being here. Please like this video, share the holistic health love, subscribe below for more to come. We're all just getting started here.